everyone, I'm Ethan and we will now discuss punctuation marks. So what are punctuation marks? Punctuation marks are marks that indicate how a written text should be read and analyzed. In Tagalog, we call this pagbabantas. The types are period or tuldok, question mark or tandang pananong, comma or kuwit, exclamation point or tandang padamdam, semicolon or tuldukuwit, colon or tutuldok, ellipsis or tuldutuldok, hyphen or gitling, dash or gatlang, apostrophe, and quotation marks or panipi. When do we use those? We use those punctuation marks in sentence endings as well as in the middle of sentences. So sentence endings are usually period, comma, no, period, question mark, exclamation point. In the middle of sentences, we use comma, colon, semicolon, dash, hyphen, brackets, braces, and parentheses. To denote something, we use quotation marks. For incomplete sentences, we use an ellipsis. Here now are some examples flashed on your screens. Punctuation marks, like road signs, can tell the reader when to slow down, speed up, pause, and stop. By breaking down sentences, they structure your ideas. Thank you for listening.